How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a Kegel workout. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Dillenberg999. Starting to get my Instagram going. The exercise that we will be doing today, I have not showed it on this channel. I'm pretty sure I have not showed it. So it's a brand new exercise. We will implement it frequently in these videos. Again, I still will be spacing out the different exercises just so you guys get different stuff, different content, not the same old stuff that's boring. So exercise today is going to be squat holds. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Pretty easy to do. You're just going to get into this position, a nice squat position. We're going to hold this for 5 seconds. Actually, let's go, we'll hold this for 10 seconds. Nice squat position. Just hold this for 10 seconds, my friend. If you can't do 10, do 5 seconds. That's 10 right there. I can tell how it's 10 seconds because I have the timer right there on my clock. It records the total time of the video. So I know exactly when there's 10 seconds. But yeah, what I've been doing with my channel now is I have been scheduling the videos. So what this allows me to do is this allows me to make videos. And then if there's a day or two where I'm not able to make videos, the videos will still be playing because they're scheduled because I made them a different day. So it's an amazing tool that YouTube has. And I've used it before in the past. And it just makes your upload schedule that much easier and just makes life so much easier, you guys, so much easier. And then my subscribers always get my content, always. Another 10 reps. So this position, 10 repetitions, or sorry, 10 seconds. It's kind of easy for me because I did play baseball growing up and I did play the catcher position. So, I mean, we're in this position for probably all game. So not too hard to do for me. But for other people, it might be a little bit difficult. That's why if it's difficult, only do 5 seconds. You don't have to do 10 seconds. 10 seconds is super easy. You guys can do 20 seconds. What you will find out about me, a lot of my returning subscribers know this already, but for new subscribers watching this video, is that nothing is set in stone in the fitness industry. Everything is based solely on you, my friends. If you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, if you have some problems, if you have some injuries, whatever you want to do, everything is going to be a little bit different for everyone. I just give basically general advice that most people should be able to use. You can switch it up based on your physique, based on your body. Again, if you have injuries, stuff like that. But again, this is for most people out there. So that's 10 seconds. Pretty easy to do. This will hit your Kegel muscles like no tomorrow, my friends. This is an amazing exercise for your Kegels. I have a couple of more exercises that have never been shown on this channel. I will be showing them next time. What I like to do is I have about 10 topics right now that I will be going over on my channel, and I'm just gonna go over those 10 topics and do exercises for those topics. I have so many different exercises, and those are the most popular topics on my channel, and those are the ones the subscribers want to see. Those are the ones that they're going to get. We'll do another 10 seconds. Keep saying repetitions. This is a nice, but I could stay in this position all day, you guys. Like this is not a tough position for me. And I did lots of squat. I've been squatting for 10 years, you guys, so pretty good position. I don't mind being in that bottom position. But yeah, so far today, this is my 6th video making. Again, on my channel, I'll only have 3 during the day, 3 at one time, or sorry, 3 in one day. I will never do more. I have tried doing 15, I've tried doing 10, I've tried doing 20. All that has done is hurt my channel. I tried that in early May, I think. May, June, and July, I believe I did that for. I made probably like 1,200 videos. I made so many videos. Not 1,200. I would say I made about 600 to 800 videos in that time period. It was nuts. None of the videos really did well. I got like I got a few that did okay, but nothing too major like I had hoped. But I mean, you live and learn, you try different things. I've been trying different things on the channel, and you learn from it. You keep going, you don't dwell on it, even though I'm dwelling on it right now. But now I know what's up for 2020. 2020 should be a good year, should get lots of videos made, I'm hoping. Another New Year's resolution goal for me, I'm hoping to make 3 videos every single day for the whole year. So that'll be over 1,000 vids, 1,000 and I think 20 or something like that, roughly around there. Or maybe it's 1,080, something around there, something over 1,000 for sure. Get ready, we will do another 10 repetitions. 10 repetitions, okay. But yeah, that's kind of my plan, is to focus on just those 10 topics and really just show you guys all the different exercises that you can do. And again, with me uploading every 3 days, or sorry, 3 videos a day, what will happen is that every 3rd day or every 4th day, we will come back to the same topic and we will do something different for that topic. So it'll just be endless amount of content for the different amount of topics. The reason I'm doing this is because, again, that's what the subscribers want. All my views are coming from these videos, and they're just popular. They're so popular, and I get comments after comments after comments on my channel. People wanting me to make more of these vids, so that's what they're gonna get, my friends. It's really not too complicated to make a YouTube channel. You really just follow what your subscribers really want, and they will kind of point you in the right direction, if you will. They've pointed me in the right direction a few times. I kind of got off course by making, again, when I made those lots of uploads, like 20 vids a day, subscribers got me back into making 3 per day. Done some other content where I kind of branched out. I did like other stuff, like not really fitness related, just kind of like health related, if you will. Not really health related either, and subscribers got me back on track. They kind of let me know they didn't like it. Still did it for a while because I am pretty stubborn when it comes to that, but got me back on track. So again, that's kind of my plan, is to do that for the videos. Should work out okay. Another 10 seconds. Because again, for abs, I have probably 100 ab exercises. Easily 100 ab exercises. Just different variations, different things that you can do. I got so many ab exercises. Kegels, not as many, but still quite a few. Anywhere from 25 to 50. Forearm exercises, I have like 50. Forearms and veins go together. So, I mean, different repetitions though to really get your veins to pop. Again, forearms and veins are one of my topics. A weird one, and I'm gonna have one weird one out of the 10, and that weird one is gonna be hickeys. I know it's not really fitness related. I made the video when I first started doing this. I was kind of branching out a little bit, and the hickey videos my subscribers love. I actually got quite a few subscribers that are into my fitness videos because they watched my hickey videos. So it's pretty sweet. I'm gonna keep on doing it. So if you guys notice hickey videos on my channel, it's because my subscribers still want those videos, so I'm gonna keep making them. Also got jawline videos too. People want to know how to get good jawline. So that is the channel, you guys. Pretty stoked for it. Just gonna keep making these videos. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Comment in the comment section. Let me know how I did for this video. Let me know what you guys thought. Hopefully you did follow along with me at home. That's the best way to see the results, is just follow what I'm doing. Take the same rest periods as me, and you should see the same results. All I ask is you subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it, and please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. really starting to grow my Instagram channel. I'm at, I think, 555 followers, which isn't that much, not at all. Hoping I can get that up to 10,000, 100,000, hopefully. So thank you again.